Ready to ditch your Android but terrified of losing all those precious memories trapped inside? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First up, Google Photos on your Android. Make sure all your photos are backed up to Google Photos. Open the app, tap your profile icon, and confirm that backup complete is displayed now on your iPhone. Download the Google Photos app from the App Store and sign in with the same Google account. Boom. Your photos are there. Next, the Move to iOS app. This is Apple's official tool for switching during the initial setup of your iPhone. When you get to the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android on your Android. Download and open the Move to iOS app from the Play Store. Follow the prompts on both devices. They'll generate a one-time code. Enter it on your Android. And select Camera Roll to transfer your photos. Keep both devices connected to Wi-Fi and plugged in throughout the entire process. It might take a while depending on how many photos you have. Finally, the classic computer method. Connect your Android to your computer with a USB cable on your Android. Choose File Transfer or MTP when prompted. Open File Explorer or Finder on your computer and navigate to your Android device. Find the DCIM folder. That's where your photos are. Copy this folder to a location on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer and use iTunes or Finder to sync the photos from your computer to your iPhone. Make sure you create a new folder with the photos you've transferred from your Android, so you're not mixing your iPhone photos. So, there you have it. 3 easy ways to transfer your precious memories from Android to iPhone. Choose the method that works best for you, and welcome to the iOS ecosystem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.